Picture this. You scoop up $1's worth of gold production for a mere 30 cents on the dollar. Then sit back as that chasm erupts into gains north of 1,000% while the world scrambles to reclaim the yellow metal as its ultimate store of value. This isn't wishful thinking or late-night infomercial hype. It's the golden anomaly, a once-in-a-lifetime mispricing baked into the world's most profitable gold and silver miners. And Garrett Goggin has transformed it into a verified portfolio return of 230% since the start of 2024. Through his flagship service, Golden Portfolio 10X, GP10X for short, Goggin delivers a curated basket of 30 elite miners, plus a bonus 7 silver standouts, each trading at jaw-dropping discounts to their net asset value. The lifetime free cash flow locked inside their reserves. These aren't pie-in-the-sky exploration plays or bloated exchange-traded funds. They're cash-spewing producers hitting the sweet spot of full-scale ramp-up, primed to deliver tenfold to hundredfold returns as gold eclipses $3,600 an ounce and charges higher still. If gold sprint from $1,800 to $3,600 left you on the sidelines, breathe easy. Phase 2 of this historic bull is only now igniting. Supercharged by Donald Trump's aggressive overhaul of the Federal Reserve, relentless central bank accumulation, and a U.S. dollar spiraling into structural decline. What follows is a no-nonsense breakdown of why Golden Portfolio 10X stands alone as the premier audited gold portfolio for this monetary reset, complete with live-track gains, proprietary research, an exclusive 50% discount available only while this page remains open. Garrett Goggin is no cable news pundit or social media shill. He's a chartered financial analyst and chartered market technician with 2 decades dissecting gold's cyclical heartbeat. He cut his teeth under the legendary John Duty, spent 15 years at the planet's largest investor newsletter publisher, and routinely fields 6-figure offers from hedge funds hungry for his private work. His secret weapon is the golden anomaly itself, the repeatable gap where profitable miners languish at 98% discounts. To the cash there, mines will generate over decades. The proof lives in Golden Portfolio 10XS independently audited model portfolio, which has delivered an average 230% return since January 2024, leaving the S&P 500's 27% gain and the GDX gold miners ETF's 77% in the dust. Individual positions inside the portfolio have rocketed 854%, 713%, 491%, and beyond, with just one modest 3.7% drawdown. The macro backdrop could not be more bullish. Central banks are on pace to swallow another 1,000 tons of physical gold in 2025, the fastest clip ever recorded. And a World Gold Council survey reveals 95% of reserve managers expect the buying frenzy to accelerate. They purchase only the metal itself, never the miners, which means the soaring spot price has yet to flow through to share valuations. Meanwhile, Trump is stacking the Fed with loyalists. Stephen Miron, architect of the Mar-a-Lago Accord, potential Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent, the planet's loudest gold bug, and fresh appointees ready to flood the system with freshly printed dollars to finance America first manufacturing. The U.S. Treasury faces a staggering $9 trillion in rollovers over the next 12 months on top of a $1.37 trillion deficit in the first 8 months of fiscal 2025 alone. Interest payments already rank as the government's second largest expense, eclipsing defense. When the inevitable inflation tsunami hits, gold becomes the only neutral lifeboat, and miners become the leveraged rocket fuel. This is where the golden anomaly shines brightest. While gold has doubled since 2022, the share prices of Goggin's 30 elite producers still reflect a $1,300 metal, even though margins have doubled, tripled, even quadrupled at current levels. The anomaly appears because past Management missteps during the early 2000s bull spooked investors, driving sector interest to multi-decade lows despite record profitability. The result is a fleet of cash machines trading for pennies on the dollar of future free cash flow. Goggin demands every pick reside in the sweet spot, mines, a decade or more into development, entering peak production where every additional dollar of gold price drops straight to the bottom line. No speculative drill holes, no endless permitting delays, just gushing profits waiting for the market to wake up. Subscribers to Golden Portfolio 10x receive far more than a monthly tip sheet. They gain real-time entry into a live, audited model portfolio tracking every position from inception to exit. Each month brings a flagship issue packed with 5 exhaustive company deep dives, geology, reserve quality, management track record, and precise anomaly profit variable math, plus a lead article dissecting the latest Fed maneuver, central bank purchase, or dollar devaluation signal. A comprehensive starter guide walks members through the exact framework that has uncovered 18,700% lifetime returns across past cycles, complete with historical blowouts like Silver Crest's 83-fold explosion in new markets, 22-fold moonshot, instant email and text alerts ping the moment Goggin adds, trims, or exits a name, while quarterly rebalancing updates recalculate net asset value discounts in light of rising gold. Members also enjoy an exclusive 7-stock silver bonus portfolio, capitalizing on a gold-to-silver ratio, stretched to 87-1, against a historical norm of 63-1, positioning for a potential 4-fold silver, catch-up and 100-fold, returns in the highest grade, lowest cost producers. The numbers speak for themselves. A modest $10,000 allocation spread evenly across the 30 core positions at the start of 2024 would sit at roughly $33,000 today, assuming only the audited average gain scaled to $1,000 per name and the same stake balloons past $89,000 in under 2 years. Should gold reach Goggin's conservative $5,000 target in 3 to 5 years, an entirely plausible outcome given the debt math and Fed printing press, a 9-fold portfolio lift turns that 10 grand into a cool 100,000. Catch just one Silvercrest style 83 bagger on a $300 slice and you're looking at $27,000 from a single swing. Physical bullion offers no such leverage and saddles owners with storage fees and theft risk. The GDX Gold Miners ETF, while respectable, dilutes the anomaly by holding every name in the sector, good and bad, delivering less than a third of Golden Portfolio 10x's verified return. Megacap giants like Newmont and Barrick generate reliable dividends and buybacks. Newmont alone announced a $3 billion repurchase plus a $1 billion special payout after blowout earnings, but their sheer size caps upside at 2 to 3 times, not the 10 to 100 times baked into Goggin's mid-tier sweet spot place. Risk exists, of course. Permitting hiccups, labor strikes, or geopolitical flare-ups can stall a mine. But Goggin mitigates exposure by insisting on diversified jurisdictions, fortress balance sheets, and management teams with skin in the game. The portfolio's lone 3.7% loser proves the downside is contained when you stick to cash flow positive producers. Compare that to the gut-wrenching drawdowns of junior explorers or the opportunity cost of sitting in overvalued growth stocks. The Buffett indicator now flashing a terrifying 217%, higher than 1929 or 2000, and the risk-reward skews overwhelmingly in favor of the anomaly. Subscriber testimonials underscore the life-changing impact. One member reports 5 positions alone, delivering $22,304 in profit in just 45 days. Another credits Goggin for unearthing a winner they'd never have discovered solo. A third upgraded to lifetime membership after a year of tracking the research. These aren't paid actors. They're everyday investors riding the same audited portfolio anyone can join. The regular annual price for Golden Portfolio 10x sits at $3,500, a fraction of the six-figure sums Hedge funds offer Goggin. Yet on this page only, new members lock in a full year for $1,750, 50% off with the 7 silver. Moonshots thrown in at no extra cost. To do that, go to the comments section below this video. Click the link and sign up for Golden Portfolio 10x. The discount vanishes the moment you navigate away, and all sales are final to protect the integrity of the member community and the research itself. 1 year from now, renewal holds steady at the discounted rate even if the list price climbs. The window is narrow. Gold is already probing $3,600 as trumps. Fed appointees prepare to unleash the easy money. Spigot needed to refinance $9 trillion in maturing debt and juice domestic manufacturing. When retail investors finally rotate out of nosebleed growth names and into undervalued cash machines, the anomaly will snap shut, and latecomers will pay premiums that make today's bargains look like a distant memory. Garrett Goggin has handed you the map to the biggest gold bull in modern history. All that remains is to click the link in description, claim your seat, and let the anomaly work its compounding magic. Thank you for your time today for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.